Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for videos on YouTube Kids. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Then, tap on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. Type in the text. And that's it. You can see the results here. If you swipe right, then you can see more videos. In order to watch the video, tap on the video. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!